Hi guys, this week our 1 minute read is called Sounds, Moving Waveforms. This is number 315. Sounds are a part of everyday life. Car horns beep, dogs bark, children shout. Noisy jets roar across the sky. People whisper to one another. There are hundreds of sounds made every day. It is easy for people to tell them apart, but there are other sounds that cannot be heard by people. These sounds are too high-pitched for the human ear. They are called ultrasounds. Sounds are produced by a certain type of motion. These motions are called vibrations. Sound travels from a vibrating object to a human ear. It does this by using a sound carrier. The sound carrier may be a solid, liquid, or gas. One way sound travels is through air. Sound waves make the particles in the air move. One moving particle touches another particle and makes a new particle move. Then that particle touches the next particle, and so on. If there is no sound carrier, no sound can be heard. The speed of sound depends on how it is traveling. Sound travels a little faster in warmer air than it does in colder air. However, sound travels much faster in water than it does in air. It travels even faster in solids such as steel or aluminum. The denser the sound carrier, the faster the sound travels. The speed of sound is slower than the speed of light, though. That is why we hear thunder after we see lightning.